Hi everybody, welcome back to another video tutorial. I am Mark and today we'll be drawing Ned Flanders from The Simpsons. So if you have a nosy neighbor like Ned, please come and join me. It's a lot of fun. Let's do this. Okay, we're going to start off with a circle right around here. And in this circle we will draw a little pupil for the eyeball. Then we'll draw the nose at a slight downward angle, and then we'll hook this back to the right. And then since he's wearing glasses, we'll draw the other eye starting here. We'll come up and try to draw the same circular shape. And we can do another small little pupil in there. Okay, from his nose, let's draw the mustache. So we're going to come out almost to the edge of the eye here on this side. So we're going to come like this, and then we're going to go over from the other side of the nose, and we'll extend beyond the eye over here, like that. And then we can join these together with a slight curve. And then inside here we could put a few lines that kind of radiate from, like, pointing at the nose and going, you know, away from the nose like this. Let's go back up now to where the eye is and create a curve like that. And then we'll do the forehead. So we're going to come up from this spot, and it's going to be kind of short. It's not going to be too tall. And we'll hook this over, and then right as you clear the eye, right over here, we'll start hooking this down. And this will come just in between the eye and the mustache. We'll kind of end that right about here. Then this will kind of hook towards the right, and it'll come up a little bit. That's going to be his sideburn over there. Then for his ear, we could create a slight line downward, and then his neck's going to come in like that. And where the ear is, we'll go up and into the top of the sideburn here. So we'll draw a circular shape like this, and then we'll draw that T shape like that. Now we'll draw the hair. So from this side on the left, we'll come out and we'll come over, and this is going to be pretty close. We're not going to go too high because he has shorter hair. And we'll come across, and then as you get to this side here, we're going to bend this, and this is going to clear his ear, but be pretty close. And this will come and then round like that. And then over here we'll do a part line like this, and then we'll do a couple more that kind of start from the hair area here and kind of point over to the right like that. Okay, next we can draw the mouth. So we'll come down from the nose in this area here. We'll come over a little bit to the right, and then we'll do a hook to the right like this. And then come up in between this shape here in the middle. You'll come down, and we're going to go past the mustache. We're going to go past the mustache, and we're going to come up, and then we're going to join into the mustache like that. And then on this side, we're going to do a curve like this. Then he has a tongue, and we'll do a shape like this, and another one right there. From the mouth opening here, we'll just come straight down, and then we'll draw the collar. So we'll do a curve that comes down and then comes back up over there.
I need your help to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Click that subscribe button. That way you get to see all of my videos. I do them every single day, and you don't want to miss out on any single one of them.
Now extend beyond the neck a little bit. We'll come down. This will be his shirt collar. And where that tongue ended right here, we'll do an upside down V shape. So we'll go to the right and to the left. And then this will be a little bit wider here than it is up there. So whatever this line length is here, do this a little bit longer and then join back up. And then on this side, we'll hook this over. And again, same thing. This will be a little bit longer right here, and this will join in like that. In between the collar right here, we'll draw the top of his sweater, and we'll do these lines that kind of come out like that. Okay, now for his sweater, so we'll start inside the collar. We'll come at a slight angle, and then we'll round his belly, just like this. And then on this side, we'll do a short line, and now we have to put his hand in, and he's going to be waving to us. So I will draw a curve that's going towards the left. So we'll come in and then down. And then this here will hook down just a little bit like that. And then on this one, it'll extend. So we're going to get bigger and bigger and bigger and wider. And then as you get over here, extend that a little bit further. We'll come up and then we'll hook like this. And then the reason I'm not doing this over here, because I want to make sure I have the right curve. So we're going to do the hand now. So the bottom of the sweater, the collar, the edge of the opening of the sleeve is going to come like this. So then we'll have another bump on both sides, and we'll join those together. Now I know where my sleeve's going to end, so I'm going to pop this outward a little bit. We're going to come down, and then we're going to meet just like that. So that's his elbow. Now we'll draw his hand. So I'm going to come out and to the left, and we're going to draw his thumb first. So we're going to come up like this. So it's going to be his thumb. And then we'll draw one finger up here. So these fingers are going to be pointing. One's going to be this way, and this way. So if you want to draw the lower one first so we can space these properly, let's do that. So we'll draw a finger out in this direction, like this, and we'll round this, and we'll come up, and then this will come down like that, and then this will round up, and then this will come like that, and join up. And then we'll draw the palm shape right there. All right, now we can complete the other side of his sweater. So we'll come down right about here, and we'll flare that out. And then this will just curve and join up like that. And then we'll step in a little bit for the bottom of the sweater where it kind of tightens up. And then we'll follow the same curve like that. Now we can get the other arm in place here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the bottom right about here, and we're going to come up, and you got to note we're going to start right about here. So you know where you're going to start and finish. So we're going to come like this, and then we're going to come over, and then we're going to bend like that. And then the width here of his sweater, we're going to try to draw the same width over here. So we'll curve like that, and then this one will come up like that. All right, now for his pants, we will come inside of the sweater just a little bit like this, and then this leg is going to bend out to the left. So we're going to come like this, and we're going to take the length here, and we're going to follow that and maybe extend that just a little bit longer like this. Then we can do the same on the other side before we do the inner parts of the legs. Let's get the outer side first. So we'll come like this, and then we'll bend this one to the right like that. And these can end about the same length there. It's okay if you're off a little bit, it's not that big of a deal. Now, we're going to draw a line that follows the blower sweater shape here. So we're going to extend down just a little bit, like this. And then we're going to try to figure out a nice width for each of the pant legs. So we're going to start right about here, and then I'm going to go towards the right to follow this shape. And then whatever this thickness is, let's try to follow the same thickness on this side. And we'll do the left pant leg. Then we can bend as we connect those two end points like this. And last thing we need to do is draw the shoes. So I'll create the heel first. So this shoe is going to be pointing towards the left. So this is going to come like that. It's going to be flat. His heel is going to come up a little bit and then down. And then over here, this will extend like that. And then right where this is, we're going to come up and into the pant over there. Now this one's going to be similar, pointing to the right. So we're going to do a little hook like this. Now this one's going to point down to the right just a little bit more than this one is. So this heel is going to come down a little bit. It's going to come up, hook, and now this will curve over like that. We'll try to do about the same length as those. And then as you go into here, we'll come and point down. So there you go, guys. I just finished inking in Ned Flanders. Now, if yours didn't turn out like this, it's quite okay. I've included a free coloring page, so you just have to go down in the description, click the link, download it, print it out, and you can color in Ned the way I'm going to color him in right now, and we'll be at the same phase. Okay, so you're going to want to watch this because it turns out really cool. Go down in the comments below and submit your requests. I'll try to get to your drawings as quickly as I can. Well, there you go, guys. I just finished Ned Flanders. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, click the like button. Why not? And subscribe. Don't forget that notification bell because I do videos every weekday and you don't want to miss any one of them. All right, until the next video, I'll see you guys then. Bye-bye.